Okay guys, hey, good morning CS, good morning Clinton. No, I did not short. Okay, by right we should short at okay, if you want to sell, I think we okay, if you sell 69, okay, let's just sell. I missed the entry though. Okay, let me just put a sell now if you can take risk. Okay, I'm gonna put the sell, and then another sell is gonna be at the 72, let's just say, but I already sell now. Sell here. We see the price action. Sell now, just now at 62.50. Sell now at 41.62.50. Oh, I already sell, okay, and price falling. Let's just sell based on the price action at 41.69. Target 49.50. TP at 50. Okay, TP let's just aim for 50. I sell 50 or 51, depend. I sell already, you see, just now. Because of the price action here, M5 we could aim here 50 or 51. I'm gonna set TP at 51. Do you guys sell? Okay, I'm into. Okay, set TP at 50 plus. Profit already by right. Yeah, I set TP here, enter here. Actually we can close just for scalping only because the entry is my on top. Okay, I'm not expect the price gonna fall. So if you're happy the profit for scalping, you just close it. It's all up to you. I was doing something 69. Let's just say 69 just now falling to 55 here. It's more than 100 pip already, right? It's my rising guy because the sell zone would be at 72 to like 84. So this one we did not wait because I short because of this price action. Okay, I have closed. Okay. It's now 62, right? You closed here, it TP. If you put a TP1, because it's falling, you can wait for price to go up, back up again, and then we sell at like 62. Let's just say my here falling more than 50 pip. So fast. Price falling so fast. Too small sell SL today from sell. Okay, where was your sell entry? Did you sell just now at 62 or at over here? Can you help me cut the small cucumber? One at 4 head trend line 414 okay 4125 4125 and another 4150 4125 right 4125 oh here 4150 but it's falling right if you put here 50 miss a buy at 4132 here you mean here at the pullback no you shouldn't sell it's up to you if you want to sell we caution the first move already 4132 miss the buy here and you sell here right you sell here price falling or you put exact at 50 and then price is not pullback 4125 was at the high 4 somewhere here yeah that is psychological number scalping done already just now. Just remove it. Basically our sell zone is on top here. What level is it? 64, 67. You cannot go for lunch, no? It's gonna be the pullback here. $65, $66. This is the OB. If you sell again, right, price might break 41.70, but if you want to sell, I think this is the only zones. But you see this very strong buy. My price was falling just now to 55, 56. Now go back up. This is the only zone you can sell. Put the stop loss where the next sell zone will be 72 at least, right? So if you want to sell for scalping, you have to make up your mind. But I have to tell you, you sell here based on maybe OB only and the all-time high, and the next sell zone will be at another 30 pip. If you sell at 69, right, another 30 pip, you can take risk. You just go ahead. $1 billion was wrapped out in crypto on Friday. Yeah, I heard that. Good afternoon, Chun Sun. Yeah, my community, I think he lose at 1.6 million in crypto, but he's still earning anyway. So okay guys, I will tell you, if you want to trade, just now because the sell at like 62 or 50 pip, if you want to sell, this is the only like the zone. This is high risk, which is we sell based on the all-time high, and like OB here, but you know it might break. If you want to sell at like 69, and the zone that I'll be looking at is about 72 to 84. This is just for like scalping, okay, but just now I was short at 62, and then we closed at like about 50 pip. Now it's not moving anyway. Is this going to form M pattern again or no? Before that it was, remember, I think this was like yesterday, it was forming the M pattern somewhere here or sideways, right? Before they decided to break and pull back to the zones. Where was that? Here, and then all the way up, right? So right now it's at the ATH. If you want to sell here, you can take risk, you go ahead. I did not have any sell entry. The reason, if you think that okay, you want to trade, you can put like very small lot size 0.01, because our sell zones another 72, but just now price was all the way to 69. Let's see the rejection, then we sell for scalping. Okay, you want to sell, make your own decision, guys. M1. BTC a while. Oh, again. $115. Wow, it's all to 115 and then falling. That will be at this resistance level. Meaning also falling. Go back to our goal. Okay, wait at the zones. Let's see whether they're gonna break the psychological number for 170. Maybe somewhere around the zones. Anybody sell? price has hit 70, right? 69 or 70. Now psychological number 70. Okay, Nick, you see price action here. I'm trading. Okay, guys. I look at my entry. I also sell. Okay, I tell you, whenever you want to sell at psychological number, right, you shouldn't put exact at like a 50 or 6, like ending with a 0 for scalping. For here, price rising is 69 point something. It is similar, just able to sell like now. It's just for scalping. Okay, price really falling, like here as well, like just now here, right? For example, you can't put exact. You can see price is at 41, almost 50, 49, 71, even where 69, 79. You need to observe this. You don't put exact like 50. Okay, of course high risk you no sell. Our sell entry is here. And usually if you want to sell, right, you want to sell like you should just like cash for the first time and price falling. If go back up again, you shouldn't sell. Okay, for example, like here you see price action and then you sell, stop loss here, and then price rising back up again. If you want to sell, okay, then you say that okay, I'm gonna sell, which is nearing to like 70. You sell. For scalping, you close. Because our entry, okay, for the first, like the resistance level is 4172 something. Here is the extension, 200% extension. Okay, 200% extension from this. So you're the 4173, 72, somewhere around that. So you can start to have the sell entry around this zone, but if you want to wait for confirmation, you need to wait for price to go in the zone about 100 pip within the zones, because we have a 200% here, and then we have 100% projection in the rest box, which is 41. Let's just say 41.85. So these are zones. Okay, so you sell just now, you should just close already. I want to wait for price to go in the zone at least for the sell entry. Okay, if you were to look in H4, okay, I would think that from here, I just say it might fall from this. It's already over, but and it might like starting to make the divergence maybe. So we're gonna keep the eyes on the zones. Okay, that's an overbought. That's the only zone I can look for the sell. Okay, now price already where? Already in where here? Okay, 141.70 and rejected. I haven't enter. I can wait because this morning I do like scalping. I already earn money. By right, if you want to sell, right, we sell at 41.70. Can we sell? It might make a divergence, guys. I missed by like a few pips. Do you sell CS? I think you can sell, but I don't sell. Okay, because you want to sell when touch the 70 and sell. Now it's falling almost 20 pip. I don't want to sell. I can wait. Yeah, not yet. Same. Okay, we wait together. Let me adjust my lot size. Actually, 70 you can sell. You have really small lot size, you can just sell. Okay, I'm gonna click sell at 70. I click sell at 70, small lot size, and then I'm gonna wait for another 20 pip to go at 72. I already tell I sell. I'm selling at 70, small lot. Okay, rising, our fighting loss now. I'm sell. Okay, very small lot size I can hold, guys. My lot size is very small. So if you want to sell, it's up to you. Okay, you want to sell here. The zone is okay. I just put the zone from just like 20 pip only. So the zone I would say from like 70 to 85. Okay, now it's rising. Okay, come, prepare. Okay, go in the zone. Okay, touch our resistance. Wow, very. Go in the zone, guys. dollar rising, gold should be falling. Why gold now is follow the follow the dollar. Okay, so this our zone, guys. Our zone already now is 76. You need to, if you want to sell within the zone, you have small lot size here. Okay, you need to After this entry, I think I need to go for my lunch. There is no confirmation at all. You can see that once it breaks 70, it's like they put the buy stop over here. I think from here, if you sell, right, you're for scalping first, you'll take profit at 70 or 69 or 70. That is your TP1 for scalping for the sell entry. This will be gonna be patient after 2 sell. Yeah. EU falling, yes, because now dollar is rising, right? You can see this, like dollar is rising so strong. That's why now EU falling. TU falling with so strong, but gold don't want to fall. This is still that's why I think we just go and trade EU and we trade GU better because easy to trade. They just move opposite direction with dollar. Okay. Just be careful. I know our zone is big. Man, I'm so hungry. Okay, let's see. Now it's at 77. This is M1. If you want to sell, right, your take profit would be somewhere around this level. Okay. $69 or $70. M5. Don't tell me that you want to go to the 4180. 4180 would be where? Would be somewhere here. Then another 50 pip. 85. Okay. So now where? 77. Okay, let's see whether M5 gonna close with price action for us. This is M1, just within our zones. No, it's now about 1 minute. So if 1 minute still not closing with price action, I think we may consider to sell. Okay, let me see. Price action. Look, let's wait for this. If you look at M1, you might feel like right, you see rising. I think M5 also not closing with the price action, rising. Okay, so another entry at 80. No confirmation. A little bit buy. We don't have a confirmation. So now if you want to enter, right, it just we enter for the like within the zones, but lower time frame there is no confirmation at all, and it's so weird that dollar is rising, right? It's still falling. Go, don't care, I just want to fly. Okay, let's just see. %. Okay, let's see. The highest is 79. Actually, you can sell at like 79. Okay, you can sell You can sell here, guys. 79 here. Manage your lot size. This is already within our sell zones. If they can fall from this, that would be very beautiful. 70, 100 pip. Can it just fall like 100 pip? 69 or 70. This will be lunch money. yeah, I know. Okay, if falling to like let's just say 70 or 79, I want to go for lunch. I'm so hungry. Okay, my time so here is 11. It's already 1 to money. If anyone sell, it's already falling 20 pip, guys, for scalping. Just manage your trade, okay? I'm gonna set my take profit. Dun, dun. Okay, scalping. Just not falling. How many? 30 pip. 30 pip only. You're bouncing off again. Maybe just now 30 pip you guys close already, right? We'll just see. Very strong buy. Strong buy. Beautiful, falling, just falling. Come, guys. You just manage your trade, okay? You happy with the profit, you just close. You want to hold, you just chip stop loss to break even, or just set the stop loss or XL. Anyone in sell with me holding out for 80 for the next sell? Okay. Anybody sell here? 30 pip. Or you guys waiting at another, and like at least 80 and above? Anybody sell here? Anybody like sell together with me? No. 30 pip running. Give me the TP. Okay, now it's falling from this 30. Okay, if this around from this gonna be 50 pip. If this to this gonna be 60 pip, 72. Or you can go to the 70. Almost 100 pip. Okay, look at the M5. Okay, this is M5, another brokers. M5 close with bearish. That will be beautiful. Another 30 second. Another 30 second. Let's see. Oh, sorry guys. Come on. Just one pump, 100 pip, then we done. We all happy. Okay, let's just see. 76. Okay, price is falling for you guys. I think is this is M5. All right, just now I think almost 40 pip. Okay, from the, if you enter like at 79, your account should be already in profit. Okay, let's see guys. We sell it just the zones, right? We know that this is really strong uptrend. So again, if you sell, if you make a profit, you can close. Okay, I'm gonna do here to look for the 76, 71. Look here. Beautiful code M5. Yep, on hold. Just be patient. If you did not overtrade, you can hold. Okay guys, if you did not overtrade, you can hold. Happy the profit close, go for lunch. M15. Okay, I think 50 pip. Okay, I think price falling 50 pip already. Okay, if you look, this is M1 from here 75, 79, 61 all the way is a fib, like here to here. Oh, 50 pips for you guys. Scalping can close already. I want to go for my lunch. Falling. Okay, that's for the high. Okay, M5 is M5 closing really nice, but if they're rising, I think they're gonna go 85, another 100 pips. Okay, it's not like that. It's not beautiful. Meaning this, if they're closing above 80 again, then this one is gonna be the pullback support level, and this one going to create the demand zones. If this M5 closing above 80. Okay, let's see. That. Go back up again. Okay, now guys, if you did not close, that is gonna be in our zones. Maybe if the body close above 80, 85, maybe go to the 85. If you still hold, you just hold and be patient. Don't overtrade. Okay, just now if you sell 79, price falling, if you close, okay, happy for you. If you haven't closed, you hold. If you ask me, I haven't closed. I haven't do anything. Okay. Okay guys, where is it? Okay, coming. Here's my take profit. I just went out to get my lunch. Where is it right now? being sideways. Okay, M1 is looking quite good. Okay guys, yeah, TP, let's go TP. Excited, yeah? Anybody sell? Anybody sell? Come on guys, just come down. Don't bounce. At least in M1 you break this level. I know you can do it. Okay, you do your job. Okay guys, you do your job. Beautiful. M5. It's all the way to 72. Bounce up already at 72. Why you bounce up at 72 here? This is, I'm showing you M1. Okay, so I know that M1 is really volatile. I just want to see the structures. Okay guys, you happy with the profit, you can close. They're falling where? 71. Guys, do your job. 70 ready, you can close. I close already. Okay. I close already. Bye bye. 4151 gonna be too greedy. 4151. Oh here. You need to pass. It need to pass this first. You need to pass this first. You can pass here, then you can hold. Okay, TP. Okay, TP guys. So I can go for my lunch. Okay, happily. Okay, 69 done. 69 close. Okay, whoever want to hold, up to you. Okay guys, I have nothing here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's really falling. 130 pip right now. You see like that, you shouldn't buy. If you hold, if you sell in here, you hold. Okay guys, if you sell, you hold, you can hold. My entry, the first entry at 70, I can close already. And now price falling. Whenever you see like that, you don't buy. You see there's no wick, meaning that they are willing to sell at this price. Okay, on the low time frame. If you sell here, you happy with profit, you close. Okay, why? And then you can wait for H1 to close, but if you sell in here, you can hold. If you don't have any entry, wait for H1 to close, and then I can give you entry for the pullback in lower time frame, and then we sell. Okay guys, wait for H1 to close. Maybe they might fall to 50, maybe. Almost 3,000. You can hold here if you want to. It's oh, you see. Oh my god. Yeah, just now heading for my lunch, and then I come in because I put my notification price falling. Yes, OTP hit. Good job. Good job, guys. Why is it 51 4? I think it's gonna go to 50. Oh, you see like that, you shouldn't buy, right? You see that they are selling off already. Yes, 49, 48, 45. Oh my god, guys, 3,000. You see, 3,500 pip. Recover from profit. It's so fast, just within like less than 10 minutes, right? You can see it was here, and then 5-minute candle, 5 minutes, it's falling 350 pip. It's all the way to 44. Oh my gosh, that level and bounce. Okay guys, I'm gonna go for my lunch. I'll come back. I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna leave it here, but I'll go for my. Alright, just go for lunch. Now it's almost 2. Yep, I come back. I think it's still falling. I think the London is selling off already. Oh my gosh. Let me see H1. Wow, look at H1 time frame. Oh, don't tell me they're gonna fall to this level. Don't tell me they're gonna fall to this level. 10,000? No, why so fast? Wait first. Wait, okay. Don't first pull. You mean let pull back. I'm gonna sell. You pull back here, 60. But now we can't do anything. Okay, guys, don't chase the market. You let H1 candle close first, and after that close, I will find the entry for you guys again. Okay, let it run. All happy already, so don't buy or don't sell. Wait for the pullback. I'm gonna wait for H1 to close first, because sometimes it could be, you know, last minute the H1 just buy boom, then become the, you can see. So we don't do anything, wait for H1 to close. All right, I'm back. I go for my lunch. Oh my god, guys. It's so fast. Falling how many pips? Oh. 650 pips. Okay, if you are recently subscribe to channel, look forward to more video. Love your webinar. Okay, thank you. We gonna, wow, look at the H4, H1, 650 pip and still selling off. Don't buy, or those small OB, don't buy. This was the one. Guys, don't tell me it's gonna fall to this level. Ooh. I want to buy, but I also forget. I also forgot. Okay. Let's buy, guys. Buy. Go. So fast. Buy here, but price is bounced up already. Buy, okay, guys. Anybody? If you didn't buy it, then never mind. Okay, because the first touch is 11 to 21 is like 100 pips so fast. I think okay, now it's already ending the H1. Okay, so this one I go remove. This one for the about the buy entry, which is 100 pip. We're gonna look for the sell entry. Okay, just our price was okay. Let price pull back here. If you buy, you hold. Anybody buy? Right here, 10. Let's just say for 41.10. Now it's rising 10 pips. It's very quick. Okay, very quick at the zones. But if you did not buy, you can look for the sell entry at like this level. This level. Okay, this level. Mm. 61. Just wait. Just now what the setup. At least come to this level, yo. Just now I was say like this level. Don't say me come here. It really come to this zone. Right? You see this very nice bounce. Maybe from here bounce. From 1415 to 41. That's what quick. This one I'm using. This one is IC market. First one is FXCM, but I prefer to look at the IC market chart, the candle. Okay, let me see. 40. Where is 40? At this level. Let's just put as 40 to 50. $45 to 55. They just say 100 pip. Like 45.50 around that zone you can sell. Or the max is refer to this level. Okay. What happened with GBP? Is that the news? GBPSD. Oh, was that the reason for so long and then falling? GBP can buy. EU nothing much. Is this news? It's similar to gold, falling like that. Look at the GBP in M15. Now wait first. Alright guys. Regular market overview. Alright. No news. Let me see. Oh, yeah, we have the negative for the the for the GBP, the number is higher than expected. Number of people claiming unemployment related benefit during the previous month, actually less than foreign currency. So meaning a lot of people claiming unemployment jobless. That's why the US boom. But it based on technical analysis, right? Parallel at the resistance falling to the support level, supply zone falling to demand zone. Basically, it's nothing changed based on technical analysis. We look for the sell entry, right? Price will make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or sell entry, sell zone, demand here. H4. This one also not even trigger demand. Also nothing here. If you look at the other brokers in H4 candle, if you were to look look at H1, okay, got demand in H1 in IC market don't have, meaning that if you were to look in IC market, we're not gonna buy here. That's nothing for us, but other broker, you're gonna buy here, you're gonna stop out. If you just trade with the demand, that is like the zone like that, right? This is the one people who buy, you will get stop out, price come to this level. IC market in H1, there's nothing. When price come to this, let's just say swing, it should be the all-time high here, broke, pull back. But sometimes I kind of gonna look like two. For example, if price at the key level which I'm looking for, lower time frame, I'm gonna see if there is any like price action. Maybe this is the like belly engulf in M5. M5 here also look like to me price action. We kind of reference to like two broker E price at the key level. It's very rare that if I want to trade with like this kind of middle candle here. Okay. Now what we need to do, you just wait. Okay, wait for price to pull back to this level, and then we sell this level here. Be patient, because just now we already make a good profit. Anyone, right? There's a bullish H4 channel for gold. E price retraces back into it after breakout. Will it usually ranging with the channel again? H4. This one? This one? Let me see. Yeah, we all, I know, me, Clinton and CS, we make a good profit. CS also have recovered his loss before I stream. Happy view guys. Yeah, it's still within the range. You're gonna see pullback here. I would say this is my wave 5. Okay, now I'm eating the snack. Okay. Here. Oh, guys, forgot to see. Remember, I would say there's divergence. It's gonna fall even further down. I think it's gonna fall to this pullback at least 38 point. Take the 2% at least here. I forgot to look at his here. Okay, so meaning fall below 1,100. Divergence already here, so I think gonna fall. like remember this is a wave 1 2 3 4 5, and how I get this level, I'm use the just in case you join, right, 200% the extension. I'm gonna also use the projection as well. That would be the zone, that would be here, this zone. This is how I get the zone, nothing to be secret here. Okay, here then I go in the zones, and it's falling, and now the say yeah, it's closing, so now it's been in the range now. So based on just here, I'm gonna put the wave, right? Remember wave 5 again. Wave, I'm not expert, I just know how to count. I got to tell you first, I'm not expert, just know the basic. Let's just say I know the basic one. Okay, if I'm using the this is FXCM chart, this one will be my wave. Okay, if this is gonna be my wave 3 and in wave 5, it's gonna pull back, and this is in the bigger or in the sub wave. This one will be 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, gold now, right? You only can use the wave on gold because gold keep like for the uptrend, that's why you can use the wave for gold. Okay, from here, this is a zigzag. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Where am I wave 4 here? Where am I wave 4? Oh, correct, here, right? You see that? This is a ABC. And then this is a sideways. Wave 2. Remember, they will say that if wave 2 is sideways, wave 4 is gonna be zigzag. If wave 4 is zigzag, then wave 2 is gonna be sideways. Okay, then this one like A, B, C, or zigzag. Simple count. Right here. Okay, again, disclaimer first, I'm not an expert by wave. Okay, I just know how to use it, and I may be wrong, I could be wrong. Okay, I just count only. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like maybe 1 2 3 4 5. If I want to count from like from wave 4 to wave 5, we always that also have a sub wave. Then you did wave 5. Okay, and they say that usually wave 4 is gonna be a triangle. In a wave 4, these are wave 5. We're gonna see a pullback. We're gonna see again, I think we're gonna see the pullback, right? This is a triangle, right? And remember, if I want to put the distance from here, hold on, I just want to put back out. I think it's gonna go above there, but of course you're gonna see the pullback first. Okay, wait, let's see. and then from wave 2 to wave 3 they're gonna have another sub wave. You have like 1 2 3 4 5, right? And then you have this one. You see that this one is sideways, this one is zigzag, A B C. Right, you see this is a weekly. If you go to D1 you will see it's obvious, right? You see the D1, this one like ABC or ABCDE, or it's like that. Let's just call it zigzag or triangle, and this 4 is this 2 is sideways. Okay, and from here to here they also have like 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is a A B C D E. I would say E and break out, and after that all the way. I think you look at D1 maybe today daily candle might closing with the what price action. Okay, now we start to count wave. From here H4, right? This one is retrace how many percent? 16.8%. Okay, I'm gonna count. So in this case I would say that extended wave 3 for this 1 2 3, pull back and continue to go 5 higher, maybe higher there, I don't know when. This one would be extended wave. Okay, extended wave 3. Significant long more powerful than third wave is the wave. But the first wave 1 common. Wave 1 is here, is super long, or it could be 1 2 maybe 3 4. This could be 5. No, 1 2. Okay, let me read. X wave, third wave extension. Oh, price is falling already. Let me just count like that. Now you're gonna see the pullback. Okay. Wow, guys. I think we need to wait to buy at the pullback. This level 40-60. Okay, 40-60. Now is the end of wave 5 and end of wave 3, and then for the bigger pictures. Okay, first buy, I'm gonna base on the 38.2%. Which is here. so strong. Four below already, guys. We will buy at 4,100. Don't buy. Guys, if we don't say if, right? We always say if we hold, we would become a millionaire already. Yeah. we short seen here, right? This is okay. Lesson learned. I'm gonna well, I want to buy, but it's very risky right now. Guys, now it's 38.27 retracement. 86. Shall we have the small buy? How exactly to do here? I'm gonna buy. I'm buy guys. I'm buy already. Okay. You need to have a quick finger. I have to tell you risky because if we strong sell, buy now. You guys, did you buy? Did you buy? You buy or not? I asked you to buy. Did you buy? Everybody? Did you buy? I buy, I buy already, guys. Okay. I buy in here. TP1 for sure 10 for 10. TP1. Yeah, I closed already. I also closed. I closed. I closed already, huh? I buy here. I closed already. Don't buy. If price falling again, you don't buy already. Okay, we're gonna pray for like first time fresh. Price falling again, I'm not gonna buy unless H1 closing with the price action. And the reason I buy I just say the OB here and then 38.2%. But it's gonna like if they want to do ABC. Here for very nice overlap. Other broker M5 also overlap here. This one I see market. Here is quite like overlap here. Oh, buy right if I see. Okay, if I see like that, I'm gonna hold. If you still hold the buy entry, you hold. Okay. At least one TP1 at 10. I think you already close. If you still hold, the next TP what here? But I close myself. I close my buy entry already. Alright, guys. I close already. I have to tell you. If price rising to this zone, I'm okay because I close my buy. I'm gonna wait for the sell entry right here. Doesn't mean we buy, but somebody you buy here, you close here, and then you sell. Yeah, that it makes sense. But I buy just for the bounce because on a higher time frame there is strong selling. But if price pull back to the sell, I'm sell. Okay. You did not enter. Okay, it's okay because you already make a profit today. Because it's very quick. Okay, you see that it's now that they going like 100 pip or 150 pip is very easily. That's why like easily earn and easily lose as well. But it's based on the M5, I'm gonna hold my buy entry. That's my price action already forming here. I'm gonna sell around this level. Rising again. Wow, if we sell, we hold, we buy, we so happy. This one is 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. And another like very safe zone you want to buy here, guys. Lovely zone at the pullback. At the pullback. This is very nice. Zigzag. Boom. Oh. So many airplane above my head. Okay, what we need to do now, we have to sit back and relax and wait for the next entry. Let me look for the EU. Let's see, EU is falling to the will be ready. GU. Oh, GU dare not to buy, even though like the buy entry here, because of the here. Okay, I'm gonna buy the GU. Okay. I'm gonna buy GU at this level. This is not very volatile, so I can hold. So basically I buy GBP USD. I will narrow the zone here. I will put my stop loss below. Very high risk. Is my gonna hit my stop loss? Okay, I'm gonna tell you first. Don't trust me if you don't trade currency pair. You don't. My stop loss, I'm gonna put slightly below. Maybe I refer to this week. Okay. While we're waiting go up, just price come to my zones, I'm gonna buy. If you don't trade currency, then you don't enter. Alright guys, okay, see you, all the best, catch up with you later. I'm gonna end about another 30 minutes, okay, because gold is falling. So now we don't buy because I closed already. I'm just gonna monitor the GBP. Okay. GBP. Just for scalping only. Okay. You can aim for this 16 pip at this level. I want it look quite okay. It bounced off from the zone. Basically, we already positive if you buy. If you did not buy, you enter. Then after you, your stop loss will be further. Take profit. You could aim for 15 p for scalping, not here. Very beautiful price action. Too big. Price can falling back here. If you buy somewhere around here, if you scale, you can just chip stop loss to break even. Okay guys, you manage your trade. Like I say, I can tell you the entry, take profit. You happy with the profit, you close. This one we should aim for 15. Why you falling? Go falling. I think go is gonna break. This is the zone. Very nice price action. You see this OB that we are waiting to buy. Just now if we buy EU, it's just nice, right? 10 pip, easily 10 pip. Oh, it's all here. We have another zone here. Never mind. I'll put my stop loss below this swing low, okay? Let's see. Meaning this rising. Wow. If okay, if the dollar is rising like that, it's not nice for us because we buy GU. We expected that dollar falling. Okay, it's still within a zone, so manage your lot size, and we're gonna see. Let me set my stop loss first. Put below the yeah, almost TP. VCB. This one is very slow right now. Let's see. Of course, currency pair, it will take time, right? It's very slow. Okay, it's not very like where is my TP just now? It's here or here? I forgot. 33292. So it will be here. Is it? Okay, somewhere around here. Okay. TP1. Let's just aim for 15 pip. Let me go to the lower time frame and see. Oh, okay, gold is fall below. Okay, gold was at the 90, now to 96. Okay, bouncing off again. For M5, boom, falling, go back up. I didn't buy entry and close. I did not buy. I did not buy gold. I buy GU. Now I look at GU because I have the position. Let's see. just now 90. Just now we should buy, right? Just now if I look at gold, I would buy gold. Now it's missed. Anybody buy again? Enter buy because of this. This very nice though. At least if they break the okay, never mind. Go back to our GBP. My enter, this is my entry, like somewhere here. Just now price is rising. Now I go back to my entry again. I put my stop loss below the wick. Okay, usually the currency pair, it will take time, okay, for price to hit the TP or stop loss. The reason here falling because it was the news. Okay guys, wow, go H M15 very M5 is very beautiful price action here. And it's so easily that 1,500 point or 150 pip, so fast. And now GBP is not moving. GBP is not moving. It is they're going to wait for the London session. I think pre-market should be very soon, right, for the London at my time 23. Yep. Okay, let's just fry and hit our TP1 first. This one is TP1. It's for the first support for H4 here. I'll just put here for TP1. Okay, based on M5 candle, I would say that is still strong selling. One of the factor could be because of the data is a negative for the GBP. The reason I buy is just is that a support with the demand in H1. Okay, I'll put my stop loss slightly below, just below here. If you think that stop loss is too far, well, let's say you enter now, let's say you enter right now, stop loss is like 70 pip too far, then you can just stop loss. So let's say I put stop loss here, my take profit here, my RR, risk and reward, should be 1 to 1. Yeah, almost 1 to 1. If price can go and hit my take profit here, then would be more than almost 1 to 2. Okay. guys, if you buy, you should set stop loss. Okay, you should set a tight stop loss. I have set my stop loss and it might hit my stop loss. Don't forget to set the stop loss just in case price is falling. Okay, not hitting a take profit. Basically, if you buy in here, price rising just now, if you like cheap stop loss, I think it might hit your break even. Okay, so it's up to you, you just manage, but I have set my stop loss already. DXY, okay, let's just make the DXY 4, and EU can be rising and GBP could be rising, but I'm not sure, okay, whether the London is gonna sell off, but it look like it's gonna sell off, follow the oh, okay, it's falling. Okay, now it's pre-market open for the London section. Okay, let's see. Here are my stop loss. Let's just see whether London is gonna buy or they're gonna continue sell off the GBP. yeah, it's looking good now. Now it's falling back. Now it's falling back again. Okay. we see, as long as it's happening the stop loss, I still hold. All right. If I'm gonna look at M5, it look quite okay. If we look at the candle, okay, it's also closing with the bullish. They just say bullish engulf based on the opening and like closing. Okay, like here. I mean the body is the close above. It might come back and test again. If you positive, you can close. If not, you can hold, because if you never trade currency, it will take time for price either to hit the stop loss and take profit. This is just for scalping. Okay. Our entry actually by right is already is for the entry here. Price is go back. I mean rising. I want to end my stream very soon. If rising again, I'm gonna I might want to close, but I still hold. The reason this you see dollar is rising because they are negative correlation, and gold is what rising, falling, rising back up again. Now let's just monitor the GBP. It's falling back. Okay, I did not tip my stop to break even. My entry here, high rising for a few pip. Now it's falling back because of the dollar. Very strong. I mean, if you're gonna look at negative correlation, why you are buy from here? About from here. That's why also they are falling. Falling. All right. Okay, let's just see the GBP. I was just thinking that the GBP might hit the stop loss. I just say it might, but we just stick to the plan. I'll put the stop loss here. It's really hit the stop loss, then that's it. Okay, because this is my supply zone in H1 and the support level also. But if price rising back again, if you're positive, okay, you just close. If you think you can hold, that is the TP1, TP2. Now I'm gonna look at the M5. M5, this candle, they should close with the bullish candle, right? They close with the bearish. It's not beautiful. Okay, let's look at M1 and have a look. Why they come? You think that they come to this OB? Do you still hold? Yeah, in Gulf, yeah. Clinton, you still hold? I still hold my buy entry. Just now it went up to here. I did not close. This is the reason if you trade the currency, it's very slow. You see gold, right? It's gold has found like rising so strong. it's like crazy. It just follow the dollar right now. Now it follow the dollar rising, gold also rising. You see, right? Just now if we stick with the dollar, with gold, I would have entered here for the buy entry just now when I saw the price action here, but I did not, because I buy GBP and then the GBP is never move. Okay, it's time for them to go now. Fly high. Wow, go is look at go, you see You see gold right now. Oh my god, you see that zone, we buy, we close, pull back, that is price action, which is confirmation, right? 90 to 20 pip. 20 pip for gold, not 200 pip for gold from let's just say from here to the current price. Oh no, 3,000 plus, and GBP never move. Oh god, I don't want to look at GBP already. Maybe I just let it be. It never move. I think, like I say, this might wait for the London at another less than 1 hour. Anybody buy gold? Yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, GBP I still hold. Okay, like that, if I'm gonna look like that, right, based on that correlation so strong, if they break through this one, the GBP, it might hit my stop loss, meaning that this is the based on the OB here, right? If they really break out of this red yellow box here, meaning that my GBP is also gonna break and then hit my stop loss. I mean that I'm gonna lose some of my profit that I make from gold. Okay, let's just see. As long as it still haven't hit, we still have a chance. Where your stop loss? You set stop loss here, or where is your stop loss? Okay, this is on the M30. No? Oh, rising. Come on. I'm gonna do like that. Oi. Okay, you see, falling. EU bouncing off. GU just for a while. You know, like last time I trade the BBSD, I hold my entry 4 to 5 hours last time. Okay, but I enter on the H4 and then I hold the entry 4 to 5 hours. That's why if we trade the currency, you like, we shouldn't just look, because it's really move. It's like, you see, a while, come back, pull back again. I want to, it's a pullback. Where is our sell entry for gold, guys? Is it this one or here? Okay, it was here, our sell entry for XAUUSD. Wait, oh, this is not nice. This is not nice, guys. Okay, let me look on the higher time frame. Right, where's my stop loss just now? Okay, if they really break this like this level, the green one here, I think then we need to surrender. Okay, we just let it go, let it be with our stop loss. Okay, then I just like, that's why I put below the wick here. This one I remove. By right, if we look at market structure, right, they still make the break of structure here. They still make a lower low, lower high. Now if they want to change, they need to break this level. Okay, now they still make a lower low, lower high. And now they have the supply zone here. This is also another supply zone for the M1. This is no good. Look at market structure here. It's not good, right? You see that this is the supply zone. That's why they are still selling. They still make a break of structure. Again, if they really break below this low, high chance is gonna hit our stop loss because price still on the bearish move on the lower time frame. Yeah, you see that? So you have to set a stop loss. Okay, you need to set stop loss. Now we got to see the price, we're gonna close below this, the red one, the green one. That meaning that they're gonna make a BOS or break of structures. Like I say, I'm gonna put my stop loss like below this body, the body. I don't want to say like I shouldn't trade the GBP just now. I should just focus on gold, which is gold has still rising because dollar is rising. That's why they are falling. Sorry guys if hit the stop loss for the GBP, okay, but just now we make a good profit from gold. Okay, let's see if they really close below this. I'm gonna prepare for my stop loss. Wow, gold rising so strong. GP, you're gonna give me stop loss. Okay. Come on. Okay, his stop loss, guys. His stop loss already for me. Sorry guys, whoever buy BTC, buy GBP and his stop loss and bounce off. Okay, so his stop loss. They might come here. Okay, they might come here. So okay, since his stop loss, I'm not gonna do the entry. Let me just focus on gold. They might go down there, so let it be for the GBP. Okay, let's wait for the gold. Do you hit the stop loss, Clinton? So sorry, I got his stop loss. Also for me. Okay, let's just wait for gold. Okay. I think we can wait to buy for the pullback. Okay, let me see. Okay, you see that the dollar easily go to the zones, right? The zones. Gonna see that gonna. Okay, we see the bow. Don't tell me dollar gonna fall here, and they're going to form the bearish divergence. meaning also it seems I want to form the divergence. Actually EU also will the zones. Yeah, GBP, you come and hit my stop loss, and then you now seems like the body going to close above. Okay, let's just see. Okay, based on the lower time frame, if they gonna make a divergence here, bullish divergence, meaning I got stop hunt, right? Because if H1, if H1 candle closing, the body closing above, meaning I get stop hunt, but it's okay. The countdown bar very strong. Okay, just look at the H4, like it's very beautiful one. H4 should closing with bearish, bearish and gap. It will look very beautiful. Then we can sell. In the zone. Okay guys, okay, I'm gonna give you the level. Okay, you can sell here if you want to wait for the sell entry. I give you the zone here, alright, or maybe go all the way up here, about 100 pip within the zones. Alright guys, you can look for the sell entry at this level. I think I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna prepare for my work later. Thank you so much guys for joining. Whoever buy GBP, so sorry that I got hit stop loss, but if you like stay with me long enough, we will short go from here. Okay guys, bye for now, take care, bye bye.